Intelligent manufacturing opening a new era. Exquisite craftsmanship, achieving extraordinary national quality. At the pinnacle of nation, guided by the titanium heart, aggregated empowerment, titanium industry brilliance. We're born from industry, starting from scratch, guided by new development concepts, continues expanding new horizons, integrating into new patterns, promoting the new development of Chinese titanium metal, and continuously meeting the demand of the people for titanium for a better life. The mission to strengthen China's titanium industry is ingrained in our blood. We, as craftsmen of a great nation, uphold the core values of industrial manufacturing. Yunnan National Titanium Metal Company Limited is a subsidiary of LB Group, established in October 2019, guided by the vision of a technologically strong nation. We innovate while inheriting, and develop while innovating. We have established a complete industrial chain from titanium concentrate, high titanium slag, titanium tetrachloride, magnesium electrolysis, titanium sponge. We possess two advanced production processes for titanium sponge, the I-type furnace and the inverted U-type furnace. Additionally, we have two high-purity titanium tetrachloride production technologies, boiling chloride and molten salt chloride. Leveraging local resources, we combine these technologies and industries, complementing each other's strengths to establish a titanium-magnesium chloride closed-loop system. With the courage to pioneer, we constructed China's first rotor-grade titanium sponge production line. On May 15, 2022, we produced China's first batch of rotor-grade titanium sponge, demonstrating the spirit of our company. Rotor-grade titanium sponge technology is highly automated and digitized, with full process traceability and strong product consistency and stability. It features low levels of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, and density. The sponge titanium that can be produced for processing aircraft engine rotor parts represents the highest quality of sponge titanium. From traditional manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing, from the domestic market to the international market, we have completed a new transformation of high-quality development in the titanium industry. Headquartered in Chuxiong, Yunnan, we have established a development pattern covering Chuxiong, Yunnan, Jinchang, Gansu, and Panzhihua, Sichuan. Our sponge titanium production capacity ranks first in the world, making full use of Yunnan's abundant clean hydroelectric energy and showing clear advantages in green and low-carbon production. Fearless, wise, and boundless, Guotai Group is exploring and expanding from Yunnan and Panzhihua to the whole country and even to the world. We are committed to creating a green, low-cost, high-quality, market-oriented titanium metal industry chain system. Innovation is our primary driving force. Guotai Group has developed global titanium resources, gathered global titanium talents, and integrated global titanium technologies. We have two national-level research platforms, the National Joint Engineering Research Center for Deep Processing of Titanium Resources and the National Engineering Research Center for Vacuum Metallurgy. We have obtained Aerospace and Aviation System Certification, Weapon Equipment System Certification, and Integrated Management System Certification. Currently, we hold 193 authorized patents, including 53 invention patents. We have collaborated with 10 domestic research institutes and more than 10 well-known domestic and foreign enterprises. Our research and industrialization of fine-grained, high-quality, ultra-soft sponge titanium have been recognized internationally. We have established a research and development center to enhance our innovative capabilities with continuous technological upgrades pioneering industry initiatives, meticulous quality, and the pursuit of ultimate cost-effectiveness, from aerospace and ocean shipping to daily life. Guotai Group relies on technological innovation to embark on the path of industrial development, aiming to serve the nation with excellence and achieve industrial patriotism. In the magnificent era, witnessing the steadfast mission of Guotai people, Guotai Group will uphold the mission of innovate and lead the development of the titanium industry chain to create a better life, be a respected enterprise, striving and unremittingly forging ahead, raising the banner of high-quality development of the Chinese titanium industry, aiming for the goal of becoming a world-class high-end titanium sponge production base, gathering strength to create a global leader in the titanium sponge industry, and continuously creating a brand new tomorrow of excellence. Globalization Century.